Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, April 25th, 2019 and the time is at 4:30 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the Aussie dollars. This is the 45 minutes chart. We can see right here the pair declines in an impulsive manner. So we got this rally to 0.72, ended with 2, and then from there we can see what looks to be a nice impulse, right? We got 5 ways down, 1 2 3 4 5, ending with 1. This is with 2, this is with 3, and so now as far as the pound stays below 0.71 and more importantly below this one actually, right? As far as the pound stays below this with 2 right here, and then we could see for the downside within this with 5 in black. All right, now looking at the larger degree in the 4-hour, we can see right here this one, an interesting structure here. Now we don't have the labels here. For a full label you can always look at the member area. Okay, we get a 14 days free trial for you guys, so you can check us out and to see if our service helps you. Now over here we can see this low on March the 8th comes at around, let me see here, 0.6999, right? That one is on March the 8th. Now this low that we have today comes at 0.7001, so almost breaking below this March 8th, but it has not. But since it is so close to breaking it and then the structure looks impulsive, very high probability is going to break lower, right? So if it breaks lower, that will show us a bearish sequence 1 2 3 4 5 swing. So technically we should be extending to the downside. All right, and right here, this one we are in the process of ending a 5 ways down from here, from this peak here. Okay, from April 17. This is what we saw earlier in the 45 minutes chart, right? We are looking for that move lower, 1 2 3 4, right? So then we got with 2 here. So this one there is a 1 2 and then 1 2 again, right? So if we have to put the labels, that means we are somewhere here, 1 2, right? And there's another 1 2 here as well, 1 2 1 2. Now ending with 3, right? Ending with 3 over here, and then we have a wave 4 and a wave 5. Now the alternate is going to be that we have ended this cycle as a 5 waves alternate, and then we do a bigger bounce before the next leg lower, right? That will be the alternate. So instead of extending lower in with a shallow bounce, we can continue to rally quite significant to correct this entire decline. But looking at this RSI here, in which we are still at the lowest in the RSI, usually that signals we are only within the wave 3, right? If it is going to be a 5 waves, you should see some sort of divergence in the RSI. But so far it looks like we are still only within the wave 3, and that's why we are still calling for the downside, still a few more lows. So according to discount, we will have another lows to end the wave 5 of 3, and then we have another bounce in the wave 4 in the red, and then another low. So you will have 2 more lows, more or less, or at least 1 more, right? At least 1 more, if not 2 more. So this is still within the wave 3 right now. We'll end somewhere around here, right? With 1 more leg lower, and then after that you have a 4 with another leg lower again to finish the 5 waves down. So once the Aussie dollars finish this 5 ways down, most likely it's going to break this, right? Most likely it's going to break this March 8 low, and that breaks over there is going to confirm further downside in the pair. So it is going to confirm more downside after it breaks below March the 8th, and so far we are still ending this 5 ways down. Okay, so we don't like buying the pair for that reason. Okay, and we still continue to like the downside in 3-7-11 swing to finish this 5 ways down, and then after this 5 ways down is finished, we will have a bigger bounce, okay, in 3 waves to correct this entire decline. But since if we do get a break below here, that bounce is gonna fail again and then extend lower again. Okay, so that's the update for today, everyone. And if you enjoyed this video, again, we have 14 days free trial. Feel free to check us, and see you all again tomorrow. Bye, everyone.